Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, this is another Microsoft Word tutorial. I'm going to share to you on how you can underline words but not the space between them in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word document and I have this statement sample text right here or sample sentence. Now what we can do is we need to choose this. We need to underline it. So click on the Home tab in the ribbon and you will find this underline options. Simply click on that. Now once you underline it, here's the case. The words are being underlined but also the spaces. So how can you make it that only the words will be underlined and not the spaces between them? Obviously you can do that. You can simply drag your cursor and then click on this underline option and that will be like that, but you are going to do it manually. Like if you have a whole paragraph, you have to do that manually, so that will take time. So what can we do in order in just one click the words will only be the one to be underlined and not the spaces? It's very easy. You just have to select again your text, your sentence, your paragraph. Click in this drop down arrow next to underline and here you will find more underlines. Now click on this underline style. Click on this drop down arrow and here you will find words only. Click on that. And then once done, you just need to simply click on OK. And that's it. So, as easy as that, you have just underlined the words, but this time not the spaces. Spaces are not included. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.